Okay, question number 23. A transverse progressive wave on a string has a wavelength of 12 centimeter. Lambda is given to you, amplitude of 1.5 centimeter. The speed of the wave on the string is 48 centimeter per second. What is the distance traveled by a point on the string in a time of 2 seconds? Okay, so what we need to do is, so this is the wave. This is the wave over here. So what we do is, let us first find out the time period. Okay, time period should now be equal to v divided by so okay, let me write it down once again. Find this time period. V is equal to f lambda, and therefore this I can now write this as lambda by t, right? F equal to 1 by t, and therefore t is equal to lambda by v, distance by velocity. That's it. Okay, what is distance? Distance 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter divided by 48 centimeter per second. So 12 ones are 12 fours are centimeter goes away. So the answer should be 1 by 4 seconds. Okay, now that means when I have a string like this, and then you have a point here. This point would have in 1/4 of a second, this point would have gone up once, come down once, gone down once, and come back here once, right? That means it would have described a total distance of 4 times a. What is 4 times a? What is a here? 1.5, which is 6 centimeter it has gone. Okay, in how much? In one cycle. Okay, let me write in one cycle. I'll just use this place also. In one cycle, in one time period, the point has moved by a distance of how much? How much did you calculate? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now what does he say? One time period is equal to how much? 1/4 of a second. 1/4 of a second. Now in 2 seconds, see, he says in the time of 2 seconds, how many times it moves, right? In 1/4 of a second, goes once, comes back, comes downwards, and comes back over here. This is 1/4 of a second. In 2 seconds, 2 seconds means what? How many cycles will it happen? In 1/4, it travels 4 times. In 1/2, that means double. How much will it happen? It travels 1, 2, right? It will be 8 times then, right? Let me write it down here. In one time period, it has traveled 6 centimeters. In 2 time period, which means what? In half a second. In half a second, it would have moved by a distance of 12 centimeter. Okay. In, let us say, for example, 4 time periods. 4 time periods means what? You double this one in 1 second. In 1 second, the distance traveled would be 24 centimeter, because 2 times it is 2 time periods is 12 centimeter. 4 half seconds, 4 time periods is 24 centimeter. Now you need it for 2 seconds, which means what? 8 time periods, 2 seconds. How much will it travel? 48 centimeter. Wow, that's great. Okay, 48 centimeter. What is the answer? C is the 48 centimeter.